Hey everybody, welcome to American Jedi channel. Today I wanted to do a quick review of this little Surewo carrying case. It really fits like a glove. I mean, it's just a really nice looking case. Kind of looks carbon fiber on the outside. Super hard. And it's for GoPro Hero 11. I'm not sure if it fits the 10. I think the 10 is the same size, but don't quote me on that. Has a nice little carabiner in case you want to open it. Now you can see how form-fitting this is. If you open it, it pretty much sticks to the top of this because it literally, like, you have to push it down in there and this thing just slides right out. And there's your GoPro. Very good case. I think they're $10 on Amazon. They're about, I don't know, they're over 4.5 stars rating. Been thousands of people that have bought them. Just a good little case if you want to, carry your GoPro around, do some quick shots. So, I mean, I have the GoPro Cloud, so if I can break 2 of these a year and they'll give me no questions asked replacement. But I still don't want to break the camera, so even though I can. But yeah, this is a nice little case. It's got it's felt lined on the inside. It's got space for memory cards, I think. It's got space for a memory card? No, there's no memory card. I thought that must have been a different case. There was one that already had like too many card slots. They're SD card slots. No, it's a very nice case, hard. 2 zippers, and you only really need one. But there's 2 on here, and it just kind of goes like that, right? Just set it down in here. See how it snaps down in there? It's nice and snug. And this just kind of goes over on top. You're ready to go. Ready to go on your adventures. So there you go. That is the review of the Surewo GoPro Hero 11 carrying case. Definitely recommend. Go and get yours today for $10. Take care.